We're here to talk a little bit about dental health and preventative care that you can do at home. The best thing you can do at home is obviously brushing, but not all dogs or lifestyles can get with that. So there is an organization, VOHC, Veterinary Oral Health Council, and they have a website that you can go to that has a good list of things that you can do at home that's either brushing related. There's treats, there's chews, there's rinses and things like that for cats, which are really good, and water additives for cats are actually really good as well. When you think of brushing teeth, you think that this is going to be a hard thing. You have to sit down, brush every little tooth and that sort of thing, but it's a lot easier than you would think. The goal with teeth brushing is you want to get an enzymatic toothpaste. And this is just what we use at home, but an enzymatic toothpaste is going to work towards that plaque and tartar and help break down things to prevent plaque and tartar from building up. So, and the goal with preventative care is that you're going to hopefully slow down the process. That doesn't necessarily mean your pet may never need a dental, but you may go longer in between needing dentals if you keep up a good regimen. Again, this is preventative care, so if there is any plaque and tartar already on your pet's teeth, that's not going to go away. So definitely consult your veterinarian, see what grade that they are at, and you may need to get a teeth cleaning done, get that all off of there, start from a nice clean slate. A lot of times you can just start with letting them lick the toothpaste off your finger. They usually like it depending again on what flavor you choose. And with enzymatic toothpaste, the good part is that licking motion, that mechanical motion, will help transfer the toothpaste to all of the teeth, if that makes sense. And then you just kind of work your way up. So there's fingertip toothbrushes, that's kind of the next step, and then there's actual toothbrushes. My bigger guys use the larger side. For her, I usually go for the smaller side. So for getting them used to it, a lot of times if they're used to you touching their muzzle and that sort of thing, you can just lift up. If you keep their mouth closed a little, that kind of will prevent them from chomping down on a finger or something like that. But you just kind of lift their lip and go all the way in the back. Her mouth is closed a little bit, I rub, and I'm done. Super easy, super quick. Do both sides. That gets them used to you handling their mouth, gets them used to you with the toothpaste and that sort of thing. And if you can graduate to the fingertip brushes, those are great. Those have bristles that you can work up to. That's a little bit bulkier and thicker, but same concept. Just kind of get into that fold there, and then I'm rubbing the toothpaste on. Get up front, and that's it. The enzymatic toothpaste is what does the kind of the hard work for you. And then you can graduate to a little bit on the bristles. And we're gonna swoop down to the back and brush. There's her canine, and I just kind of do one of these quick things. That is it. That is all that you really have to do. If they will let you do more, that is great. But the goal is to make this a positive experience for them, so that you can do more frequent brushings and things like that. Like I said, there's plenty of other options. There's the rinses, there's chews and water additives. The goal would be just to kind of get the best regimen for them and a habit for yourself too. Whatever is going to work for you guys. That doesn't necessarily, again, mean that we can go without dental procedures and dental exams and things like that. I don't think we can replace those, but we might be able to keep their general oral health in a good shape.